Dear student, this is my second lecture of the Unit 1st Stoichiometry. The topic is mole and Avogadro's number. After watching this lecture you will be able to define mole. Example of mole. Avogadro's number. Relationship between mole and Avogadro's number. We can define mole as when the atomic mass of an atom, molecular mass of a covalent compound and formula mass of an ionic compound express in gram called mole. Or, gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass and gram formula mass is called mole. It is represented by mole. Explanation. 1 gram atom of any element contains the same number of atoms. This quantity has been given the name, mole. Generally speaking, mole is a counting unit just like a dozen, 12 similar things, or a gross 144 similar things. Avogadro's number. 1 mole of any element contains 6.023 times 10 to the 23 atoms. This number is called Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is represented by Na. Examples are given below. So mole can also be defined as the amount of a substance, which contains Avogadro's number, 6.023 times 10 to the 23, of particles, atoms, ions, molecules, formula units. Thanks for watching the lecture. Follow the page and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Stay safe and be happy.